Okay, so hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 15th of December for those who are in complete no contact and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. Okay, please keep that in mind. It's very important. And if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. So let's start. Aries, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Chariot and the Tower and the Seven of Swords. Wow. So while moving on from the situation, they are realizing some kind of truth about the situation between you and them. Now some kind of secret is revealed, like maybe they got to know something about you, and or they are having a rude awakening about themselves, but some kind of truth is coming out, and it's kind of shaking their whole energy system right now. Although they are in this energy of, okay, I have to move on, I don't have to look back, this is it, this is done, but they're realizing some kind of big truth here. Okay, it could be about you, it could be about themselves, it could be about the situation between you and them, but there's something that's coming out to light, and it's kind of making them feel very unstable, very much in this energy of, oh my god, what just happened, or what is just happening right now. Cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Right now, they're in some kind of shocking, surprising kind of energy. What's their intentions? Nine of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Their intention is to their intention is to be happy and wish fulfillment. Their wish fulfillment in this particular situation right now is to slowly but surely get some kind of message, communication, apology kind of energy from your side, and or if they did something wrong, they want to apologize to you. So take it how it resonates with you according to your situation, Aries. But this person's wish fulfillment and intention here is, I'm sorry, there is a power cut going on in my house right now, and there's airport nearby my house, so please bear with me. Anyway, so the thing is that maybe you're not even hearing that, right? I am getting disturbed anyway. So their desire, their intention is to communicate with you at some point of time, where either they are going to apologize to you, and or they're waiting for some kind of apology from your side if you are the one who did something stupid in this direction. At the same time, this person wants to keep their options open, so that they are going to connect with the person that's actually meant for them. This is what they intend to do right now in this situation. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 15th of December. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, the Two of Swords. It's like they're not sure what you feel about them. They're not sure what you want from them, and that is why this person is kind of feeling like they should not even connect with you, because they themselves are not also sure about the future direction of the situation. Although they have this energy of wanting to be just friends with you, or maybe stay in touch with you, but at the same time they are not able to see the clear picture of the future between you and them. That is why this person is kind of feeling blocked in the situation, and they just don't want to take any kind of initiative from their side. Now if you're going to take any kind of initiative from your side, you might get the answer from this person's side, but that answer is not going to be a very satisfactory one, or a very content one that is going to make you happy, or that is going to make you feel like, wow, I got it, or something like that. No, because they're not able to understand what to do with with the changed dynamics now, what to do with the truth that is coming out, like yours or theirs, or maybe about this connection. Maybe this is a realization about of some kind in the situation. So yeah, this is something that they know that with time it's going to be sorted, but as of now they're not able to understand what they should do in this direction, so they are just keeping their energies low key and to themselves. This is the plan. Guidance, Nine of Swords. See, There are lots of people and situations and things that we cannot change, even if we are dying to change something. Instead of trying to change the situation, try to change yourself and understand that you don't have the power to change and control each and everything in your life, right? Sometimes all we have to do is to just to uh, accept the truth for what it is, accept the situation for what it is. Instead of continuously worrying about it, believe that everything is going to be fine, slowly but surely, right? So invest your energy in believing rather than wasting your energy in anxiety and stress and trying to control people, things, and situations that you can't actually. Hmm. So yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.